So if you want to go from this to this, what you're gonna have to do is simply download the image that you want to use as your icon. So as you can see, I have this one. Now we just have to select the image and press Ctrl and C on our keyboard to copy this image. Then we just have to select the folder, then click on Control and on the folder at the same time, and then click on Get Info. Now once we do that, we'll have this pop up. So we just have to select this small icon in the top left corner and then press Command and V to paste the icon, and basically that's all we have to do. Now if you want to remove this, simply press Ctrl and click on the folder, then simply go and click on Get Info. Then again, we're gonna have to select this and then press Delete key on our keyboard, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.